Okay, so today we've had the opportunity of seeing the first State of Venture Capital and Private Equity report in Ghana. I must say that from my own perspective, we've come a very long way from where we were back in the 2000s and to now 2023, 2024, where we have a full report that captures the history and the status of the industry as we go along. I have learned a lot from this report. One particular thing that strikes me is that it's an industry that is supporting about 46,000 jobs. And I expect that in the next coming years, this number would go to maybe perhaps about 100,000 jobs. And it's also supporting more than 100 and something thousand livelihoods. This is something that is, should be celebrated in the Ghanaian industry. It is an industry that is growing. It has had its pitfalls, but I think the future is bright. And this report tells it all. For the future, I expect that the report would be improved. I know there's going to be an annual report, and at Venture Capital, we are more than ready to support. We know we've been part of the journey for impact investing already. And so for this coming years, we are going to continue to support the report making and the impact investing itself in general. But overall, the thoughts of today's event are fantastic. And we look forward to more of these events, and hopefully an industry that grows beyond the 6.9 billion to something in the region of 100 billion in the next coming years. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor.